Om Shanti. Today, 27th of October, let us listen today's Murli highlights. In today's Murli, Baba says, even if you come later, you can quickly go ahead of the older ones. Those who come towards the end receive better points because this study becomes easier day by day. Baba says, now you have to make intense effort to become Sato Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. As little time remains, you should also keep your charts. Baba says, you were in the incorporeal world. This is also known as a silence world, where you were in complete peace. You should make big pictures of it in which you can show souls sparkling like a stars. Baba says, when souls stop coming, destruction will take place. Then all the souls will have to return home. You should definitely have a picture of the Trimurti with you. That one is the Shiv Baba, and this is Prajapita Brahma, the great great grandfather of all, so he must definitely have come previously. Brahma is in front of everyone. Creation is now being created through him. You have now become Brahmans, and you Brahmins will then become deities. It takes 1 second for the Brahma to become Vishnu, and 5,000 years for Vishnu to become Brahma. The father says, I first have to create the subtle world and then the physical. This is the world of talkie, and that is the movie. There you talk to God. There's no world there, only Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankar are to be seen there. Baba says, I don't speak this knowledge on the path of devotion. When devotees remember me, I grant them visions. My path also begins when the path of devotion begins. I remain in the retirement in the golden and silver ages. Baba says, you now belong to the Father, so you have the omens of Jupiter over you. Those who belong to the Father are said to have the omens of Jupiter over them. Then there are omens of Shukra, and then the omens of Budh. Those who have the omens of Jupiter over them become the part of Sun dynasty. Those who have the omens of Budh become part of subjects. They are unable to do service. If they are unable to remember the Father, they are Buddhus, fools, and in that too they are number wise. Baba says some become elevated subjects and other becomes lesser subjects. Baba says I remain in the retirement in the golden and silver ages. What else is there for me to do once I have sent the children into happiness? I just take retirement. Baba says souls have to come here to play their parts, that they have become peaceless and so they remember that peace. Originally, souls are residents of the land of peace. Souls now say, I want peace. My mind wants peace. It is explained that is a soul has a mind and an intellect. Souls are obedients of peace, and then they come here to act. How they can experience peace here? This is the land of peacelessness. Baba says, you have now become Brahmins, and you Brahmins will then become deities. The tree of Brahmins is small. There are very few deities, and then their number continues to grow. Your new tree is being established. Baba says it is not that you become unhappy as soon as you become Rajo Pradhan. No, your degrees decrease gradually. You know how from being Sato Pradhan we go through the stages of Sato, Rajo and Tamo. Souls have alloy mixed into them. The blessing of today's model is that may you become worthy of being worshipped and remembered by using all your powers, considering it to be your duty and not thinking of them as miracles. Don't use the powers you gain by having remembrance as a miracle, for it is your duty to use them. Those people have miracles of occult powers, but you have Srimad. You definitely develop powers by following Srimad, and this is how your thoughts become practical. You can inspire someone to carry out a task with your thoughts, and that too is a power. But it is only when you do not mix the dictates of your own mind with Srimad, that you will become worthy of being worshipped and remembered. The slogan of today's Murli is that instead of becoming disheartened in any type of upheaval, become one with a big heart. Om Shanti.